Good afternoon, students. This is our session 8 with digital documentation, and today we are going to learn very important topic, that is mail merge in LibreOffice. Mail merge is something in which we can create many letters at just in a one click. It's a mass mailing activity through which you can create as many letters as you want. In this, basically, when we want to make invitations, when we want to send some invitation letters, okay, so there the document content is same but the addresses are different. Okay, so through mail merge, what we can do, we just create a main document separately and address it separately and just merge them all. Okay, so it will create the individual documents. So how we will use it? Let's see. This mail merge option you can find in this tools menu, mail merge wizard. Beta wizard is something in which you have step by step options. Okay, so here this is my current document and here I am writing a letter like you are cordially invited to my birthday party. So this is the content. Okay, so this is the content that is same for all the letters, and here I have to just change the addresses. Okay, so just go to this option in tools menu, that is the mail merge wizard, and in this you can find the step-by-step procedure for doing this. The first step is the selecting starting document. So because I have written the letter in this document, so I will choose this radio button, that is the use the current document, and then just press the next button. When I press the next button, you can find that it comes to the next step, that is the select document type, and as I am writing letter right now, so I will choose this letter radio button, and then again I will press next. Here this is the important part, because here now you are going to make the addresses. So we will click this select different address list, and in this I am going to, these are the predefined or previously made address list. So because I am showing you, so I am going to create a new list. As you can see that select an address list, click add to select recipient from a different list. If you do not have address list, you can create one by clicking create. That means what, beta, if you have a previous address list you can incorporate it by clicking this add option. If you don't have a list, you just create a new one. So create, and here these are the several fields that are already given. You can also customize the fields, customize the addresses, as when you click on this customize option, you can add or delete these fields as you want. It's your will. So here I am using these three fields like forename, surname and company name. So in I am going to fill 4 records, like forename Anil Gupta and its company is supposedly ITC. Then the new record, here this is the second record. So for name is suppose Amit Shah, and the company name is suppose Bajaj. Then the next record like Seema Sharma, and this company name suppose ABC whatever, and in the last record suppose it's Hina Khan, and company name is suppose your HLL. Okay, so these are the 5 records I think. Now I just press OK. After that it will tell you to just save it. Okay, so just save this address list by any name so that you will you can use it later also. So I just write like family list, I give it a name like family list and then save it. So you can see here it come over here like family list. I can just press OK. Okay, now I have to match the fields. Basically firstly I will just go this option more, because I have taken 3 fields here. So I am just going to create a new one here, forename, then the surname and then the company name, because these three fields I just filled out. So I can make it down like this, okay. Anil Gupta ITC, you can see its preview also here, and just press OK here, okay, and then press next. Here this is the salutation part. If you like to write like dear Mr. Gupta or hello Mr. Gupta, you can write like this. I just press next right now. Here you can see you are cordially invited to my birthday party. You can just move this part up and down according to yourself, like this. Surname and forename, I just like this here, up and down. Okay, now just finish. I just delete this part right now. And now this is the format, that forename, surname, company name. Okay, this is just a format. You can write like you can move it also, see, and you can resize also it like this. Okay, now what you have to do, because this is just a format created, now you can create the individual letters for all. You can see these options. These are the options of mail merge, and here you have to just click this edit in individual document. When you click this edit individual document, okay, now this is the new document that is created, and you can find like Anil Gupta ITC. You will see this Amit Shah Bajaj, you can see this Seema Sharma ABC. Okay, so the records, this Hina Khan HL. So these are the record I have given, and for each and every address a new letter is created automatically. So this is a very fast method and reliable method to create letters, and a very useful method. That's all for the mail merge topic. Thank you.